Oh my, it's insanely early. The sun isn't even out. It's surgery day, and in med school, if it's surgery day, you gotta be there at like 7 a.m. But it's in fucking. I got dyslexic of how early it is. That's how early it is. I get dyslexic. We are literally the only fucking dudes here. Done. And we're done with the hospital. It was pretty intense, It's 1 p.m. right now. We've been there since 7 p.m., 7 a.m., I'm sorry. And I'm just going back home now to show you a cool trick that I have up my sleeve. What is, in your opinion, the most productive thing that you can do? Because I used to stress my mind a lot with, planning and reading, journaling, exercising, doing all that stuff that those big YouTubers talk about. But the trick that I have on my sleeve is that at the end of the day, like, the most productive thing that you can do is work. Like, you can plan as much as you want. You can write on the whiteboard as much as you want. You can hop on as many Zoom calls as you want. But at the end of the day, you're judged based on your output. Your output is what brings results. And if you're unable to work, if you're unable to produce, if you're unable to work, produce output, produce something, then everything goes to waste. So the trick up my sleeve that I had that I was talking about was every time, immediately after I enter my home, my office from the hospital that I work in, I just immediately, without doing anything else before this, shoot a 30-minute lesson for my next online course. So this is the first thing that we're doing today. We're shooting 30 minutes of video content. And trust me, if you do this every day, that's 1 hour of content every 2 days. This means that you can create a 2-hour course every 4 days. This is extremely leveraged, right? If you only do this, you're gonna have insane output, right? And again, it just takes half an hour of your day. So that's the first thing that I'm doing every single day. You can procrastinate just a little bit. So check out November's earnings at the end of the month. Now that's like the 5th of December. Check out November. We went hard on November. One of my courses was also featured on Skillshare's hot courses. Check out December, dude. It's December 5th and we're already like halfway through October, so that's great. Mine forwarded this email with the November's most popular classes on Skillshare. And check this out. Look at this. It's your boy on Skillshare's newsletter. How cool is that? November's top picks trending now in November. Check this out. It's your boy with his AI course. Today's lesson, the rise of short form content creation. Because we're creating this course right here, which is called Using AI in ChatGPT for Viral Short Form Content Creation. Yes, this is a chewing gum that I just spit out. So open the camera. Sorry about the close behind. Open the monitor. Boom. Should be done. And you should be able to see me holding a tripod with my smartphone. Yes, you are. Great. So decreasing this right there. This is the screen. Looks perfect. Let's start rolling. Lights, by the way, light 1 and light 2 are done. They stopped working. And I've ordered more from Amazon, like the light bulbs. I ordered them from Amazon, but they haven't arrived yet. So we need to shoot with natural light today. So that's an issue. We're done. 30 minutes of content created. And the thing is that I stopped shooting because I wasn't shooting with my microphone. I didn't even connect the microphone to my camera. I thought that I lost 30 minutes of content, which would be a huge pain in the ass to replace. But I was actually recording audio with the secondary microphone that I had on my MacBook. And now I am running it through this Adobe AI program that pretty much enhances your audio. Now it looks perfect. So I just woke up from the nap. We have a meeting right now in like 2 minutes with the chief marketer that I'm working together to launch my website. We've been working in this for like 2 months now. So it's going to be very, very cool. And I just can't wait for you guys to see it. It's going to be very cool. And afterwards, I have a half an hour sales call, like a meeting with a potential client of mine that wants to work with me to launch his online course business and stuff. So very cool stuff, very eventful stuff. See you after the meeting. So video with the marketer is done. It was a great call. It was actually 1 hour. It was half an hour longer than I expected. And now it is time for a back-to-back sales call. The client that has entered this sales call is I think he's going to be very profitable. I analyzed his niche. We've done some research with my team, and I think he's going to be a great prospect to work with him. So I'm just really curious to see how the sales call is going to go. So this is happening right now. Hello there. Oh wait, I can't hear you. Can you hear me? And every time that I've coached someone, like what he tells me and why people tell me that it's worth it, and they're very grateful of our work together, is that they're able to focus on what they want, which is just get their knowledge from their heads to video, and that's it. Yes. So I gave him some tips and tricks and storytelling and how to structure his lessons, and people just kept watching and watching and watching, despite the fact that he didn't show his face. Yeah, so I'm very proud of this. It was a great test of my skills and my knowledge. If I'm able to take a guy that doesn't even want to show his face and make him win on skill. You got it. See you. Goodbye. Let's go. Running's the best, bro. Running's the best. It makes me feel so fucking good. Every time I run, it's just best. It's getting colder here in Greece. Can you see the smoke? We're gonna end the session with some pull-ups, some push-ups, some biceps, and I think we're done. I'm also having a wrap-up meeting right now in 2 minutes with one of my clients. She created her first course. She has uploaded it on Udemy. It was accepted on Udemy. Everything's done, and our collaboration ends pretty much today. So it's kind of a bittersweet experience because I had a great time teaching her and coaching her. It was a great month, and now she's just ready to create courses by herself. So that's what's happening right now. We have a client meeting, then we're creating another lesson of our course, and I'm gonna work on my medical thesis because in the final year of medical school I also have to do a big thesis, a big research project. So a lot of work today. And with that, the day's done. All right, that was a huge day. I don't want you to think that every single day of mine is as big as today, but yeah, today we had a lot of shit to do. Everything went great, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.